Hi there, Clay McKinney, developer on Ramp. This is the Introduction to HTML course, and right now we're doing the section about tables. And in this video, we're going to talk about spanning columns with a table data. It's with the use the colspan attribute of the TD element, table data, right? All right, and let me show you how easy it is. I'm going to add little section to our table at the bottom. So we're going to have a row, we're going to have a cell, and we want it to span all four columns. Call span attribute equals 4, and we're going to say DC comics are the best. All right, and that's the end of that table data cell. It's going to span all four columns of our table. Let's see, let's close our row, and then let's go look at it. We'll save it, go over here, refresh it. Well, that's an odd thing that happened. Let's see. What's the name of that thing? Tables.html. All right. Let's just go there, see what happens. Okay, so you can tell that this cell is spanning the four columns, or you can at least tell that it's spanning the first two, right? Because this is lined up, this is lined up, this is lined up, but this is crossing those borders, right? So that's pretty cool. That's how you span columns. You use the call span attribute. Let's write it down. The call span attribute makes a table cell span columns. And you can also use call span for a TH element too, a table header element. That works just as well. All right, let's save that, go look at it. Come on now. Okay. Computer's being a little bit slow. It's messing with me. All right, so that's got that, and then let's validate it. I'll copy all of my text and go over here to the validator and direct input. Okay, it's still happy, it's still green, so we can move along. All right, that's how you do call span.